Hey my Goatie Gang, I'm here for a food review. It's been a long time since I've done a food review. I saw that Dairy Queen released their Red Velvet Cake Blizzard, and they released it a little before February. It's the February Blizzard of the month. And so I got a coupon today for the Mobile Monday $2 small blizzard. I thought, you know what? $2 small blizzard, Red Velvet Cake, food review, let's do it. So let's do a food review. So it doesn't look super red, but as I eat, I will let you know what I think. Not only is it a food review, but it's a food challenge because I'm driving. Hopefully I'll keep us safe. First bite. I forget what the description said it all was. Obviously there's red velvet cake in it. Okay, so the top was very vanilla, ice creamy, but as I'm getting down, there is a red color to it. The cake is kind of almost brownie-ish. It's almost like a brownie cake. That's the kind of like texture it has. It almost does taste like a brownie, but it could be playing with my head because of the texture. See if you can see the red now. Probably not. There is a slight pink to the ice cream now though. I like the pink color. I like the brownie texture. Complements the cold ice cream very well. I don't know when the last time I had red velvet cake, or even if I remember what red velvet tastes like. But to me, this tastes like a brownie blizzard that's red. The cake pieces are definitely red. I don't think you're gonna be able to see that. Sorry about the lighting in here. There. See if you can see that. You can kind of see the redness there. But yeah. So, it tastes like a brownie blizzard. Ooh. I got a little bit of a taste of something else. For a second. A split second. That was it. I wouldn't get this again. If I'm gonna get a blizzard, I'm gonna get something more unique. It's ice cream and brownie. So, I mean, or cake, whatever you want to call it. So, I mean, it's not bad, obviously. It is nothing special. I wouldn't say run out and grab it. My humble opinion is don't waste your time. Take your favorite blizzard, whether it's Butterfinger, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, Mint Oreo, Snickers, whatever you prefer, get that. This isn't gonna be anything too special. If you want a pink blizzard, get it. Otherwise, there's a thumbs down from the goat. Alright, thanks for your support. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And I'll see you in the next video. The goat is out. And very bumpy.